A very good morning, students. Today we will start alcohols and the phenols with ether. So first of all, in alcohols we give the definition, what is the meaning of it, and what the things I am going to give you to write. Please write down in your copy. Without the death, many reactions are coming in the paper. Sulfonation reactions is there. Many reactions are there. By this chapter, this topic, if you can write in your copy, then it is very easy for you when you will give the paper. It is very easy for you to revise it. So first of all, what is the meaning of the alcohol? From the 10th standard we are studying that it having a OH group. So alcohols are the compounds containing hydroxyl group OH attached to alkyl group. Therefore, regarded as hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbons are also called aliphatic alcohols. Means this having an OH groups also called as aliphatic alcohols. Now let's see some examples here. Example, first is methyl alcohol. In a methyl alcohol, CH3OH, methyl, CH3CH2OH, ethyl, methyl, ethyl, 2 carbons are there. Propyl alcohol, 1, 2, 3, methane, ethane, propane, means propyl, it become a propyl alcohol. Understood till here? The alcohol are classified as mono, dihydric, tri and polyhydric. Tri means 3, poly means many. Depending 2, 3 or more hydroxyl group present in the molecules. So CH3, CH2OH, ethyl group. Okay. So this is can be say as monohydric, mono. One is there, OH. CH2OH, CH2OH, this is said to be the glycol. Dihydric, glycerol, trihydric. Okay. Next is aldol. Polyhydric means many are there. 4 here, 1 here and 1 here. Means 6 are here. So it is said to be the polyhydroxyl. Fine. After this, phenols. What are the meaning of the phenols? Phenols are the hydroxyl derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon in which the hydroxyl group OH is directly attached to the carbon atom of the aromatic ring. So listen here, this is the aromatic ring, only this. In this aromatic ring, if anything is attached on it, any compound is attached on it. So here OH is attached on it. When the OH is attached on this aromatic ring, then said to be the phenol. And these bonds are present over here. So it is said to be the phenol. If this OH is not present over here and it is remain like this, then it is said to be the benzene. Understood the difference between here? So this is the phenol. Now here 1, 2, here bromo is there. So here bromo is bromophenol, 2 bromo, and this is phenol OH. Now you can see here 1, 2, here methyl group is present. So what this full is phenol. So this is said to be the 2-methyl phenol. Now in this one you can see 1, 2, 3. On a 3 position methyl group is present. So we can say 3-methyl phenol, or we can say am-glycerol, am-methyl phenol. Okay, many other names are also be there. Next you can see 4 is present on the methyl side. 4 is present on the here. So what will happen? It will said to be the 4-methyl phenol, or we can say p-methyl phenol. On the 4 side, if any thing is there, then it is said to be the p, para. Okay, m, meta, here on this one side. Okay, o, ortho here. Okay, ortho, meta, para. Okay, o on second side, third side, m, and the fourth side is p. Till here understood to all? In this one also it is a monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric. Fine. Now let's see some examples over here. OH is present on here. So it is said to be the monohydric. OH2, 1, 2 benzene diol. 2 are here. 1, 2 benzene. This is benzene diol. Now here 1, 3 benzene diol. Here 1, 4. So again I am telling to you, what is this? If a position on second one side, it is a ortho. If a position on third one side, it is a meta. If a position on a fourth one side, it is a para. Ortho, meta, para. So here 1 4, 1 4 benzene, this is benzene, and diol means 2 are there. Here 1 2 4, 4 hydroxides are there. Benzene, triol. Triol, why? Because 3 are present here. Here 1 2 3, 1 2 3 benzene, triol. Okay, trihydric is there. So next we can say in a aromatic alcohols what will happen. Here CH2OH, it is said to be the benzyl alcohol or phenyl methanol. Here CHOS CH3, 1 phenyl ethanol, 2 phenyl ethanol, 2 phenyl propanol, 2 all. Here 1 2 3, on a 2 1 side OH group is present, that's why it is said to be the 2 all. Till here understood 2 all? Now next is, this is the primary alcohol, OH group is present, R is 1, 2R is present. Secondary alcohol, 3R is present, means 3 methyl group is present or any ethyl group is present. Tertiary alcohol, let's see here CH3 CH2OH. CH3 means R is here, CH2 means, like here also we can write C as like this, also we can write same here. Then this is ethanol, methane, ethene. This is two groups are present, like here RR is here, so it is propane 2 all. Here 3 groups are present, same 3 groups are present, 2 methyl propane 2 all. Fine, till here understood 2 all? Okay. After this, next is like, first of all we will complete the alcohol. Okay, then we will start with the nomenclature of it. So monohydric nomenclature, CH3OH, it is said to be the methyl alcohol. Isopropyl, 2 are there, isopropyl alcohol. 1 2 3 tertiary butyl alcohol. In a IUPAC system, OL is present in alcohol group. Alkane, in this one E will minus and we will put OL, then it form alkanol. Okay, let's see some example here. These examples here, CH3 CH CH2OH. First of all, this is a long chain, 1 2 3. Okay, so when there is a long chain, we will take from that side. So this is methyl, where it is methyl group is present on the second one side. 2 methyl methane ethene propane, 2 methyl propane, 1 all. Why 1 all? Because OH group is present on the one side. Same as we can say here, very interesting this one. In this one, COH is present, CH2 CH3 is present, CH2 CH3. Here it is. So now let's see 3. This is 3 ethyl, 1 2 methyl ethyl, 3 ethyl hexane, methane ethane propane, butane pentane hexane. Okay, understood now? 3 all. Here it will come all. Same condition will happen here also. Methane ethane propane butane, but will come. On 2 1 side all is present, on 3 1 side ene is present, double bond. So here but 3 ene 2 all. Okay, so see others also it will be like this. Fine, so these things you have to write down in your copy beta. Now next is the nomenclature of it. Okay, so this is the nomenclature. In a nomenclature, according to the common system of nomenclature, the parent member of the family is the phenol. Derivative of phenol, the position of the substitution is indicated by the prefix meta 1 3 para 1 4. So here OSCH3, this is ortho, methyl phenol, metamethylphenol on this one side, paramethylphenol. Okay, so OHCH3, 2-methylphenol, other things are same as it is. Okay, so you can write down these things. Now I will start the isomerism of alcohol. So here you can see the isomerism. First of all, the chain isomerism is here. Here it is written, alcohols containing 4 or more carbon atoms exhibit chain isomerism, in which the isomerism, the chain of carbon atom attached to the hydroxyl group. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH, methane, ethane, propane, butane. It is came as butane. 1, because we will start from 1 here, because 1 by 1, because all is present on the one side. 1 all. This one is, if we will start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2-methyl will present here. Propane, all full is propane. 1 all. Fine. Position isomerism, where the position is taken place, this is there. Functional isomerism, 2 or more carbon attached it. This is a functional isomerism. Optical isomerism means a mirror is between, and it is said to be the chiral carbon atoms. Okay, so in this one, in a chiral carbon atoms, we can say carbon is here 1, CH3 group is present, OH, C2H6H. Now if we can see in the mirror, how it will be see. CH3 will come on this one side, OH will come on this one side, C2H6 come on this one side, C2H5, and OH is come on this one side. So this is said to be the optical isomerism. Fine. After the optical isomerism, let's see some preparations of alcohol. Okay, now the preparations of alcohol from alkyl halide. CH3Cl plus NaOH gives CH3OH plus NaCl. It gives RX plus NaOH gives ROH plus NaX. Okay, next is from hydration of alkenes. This is the preparation beta. CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O gives H2SO4 CH3 CH2 CH3. Okay, CH3CH2 plus CH2O in presence of H2SO4, it gives as CH3OH. Fine. Third is oxymercurations and demercurations alkenes. With the help of this methods, Marconi's rule will be there. Marconi's reaction is also be there. That same is the Marconi's rule. This is very important reaction. Fine. So here it is CH3 CH double bond CH2 gives HgOCaC2 with HOH. It gives CH3CH with CH3OH. Okay, then in the presence of NaBH4, it gives CH3 CH3 and OH. Okay, with ACOH. Okay, where AC is CH3 single bond C double bond O and form a bond. Okay, understood. Next is hydroboration of alkenes. This method is used to obtain alcohol according to anti-Marconi's rule. Now one Marconi's rule was over, second is anti-Marconi's rule. This is coming in the reactions also. Okay, don't be think that this thing is not coming in the reactions. So in this one, 6CH3 CH double bond CH2 in the presence of B2H6 with THF to form 2CH3 CH2 CH2 with B and form H2O2 gives CH3 single bond CH2 CH2OH plus 2BOH3. Fine. How the summary formation takes place of this one? The summary formation is take place as CH2 we have taken and form a 2 parts and form a NaBH4 with H2O2. It form a CH3OH with CH2OH. Reduction of aldehyde and ketone. In this one, aldehyde gives primary alcohol, ketones give secondary alcohol. Okay, so RCHO with NaBH4 form as RCH2OH, RC double bond O with LiAlH4 with reduction, it forms CHR double bond with OH. Fine. Next reaction, Note one thing, NaBH4 and LiH4 are mild reducing agent. They cannot reduce carbon-carbon bond given in the compound. So it is CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2, single bond CHO. It gives LiAlH4, NaBH4 to give CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2, CH2OH. Fine. Now next is reduction of ester. When esters are reduced with the help of LiAlH4, we get two molecules of alcohol RCOOR reduced with LiAlH4 means this will reduce by this. Then what the formation takes place? The formation takes place, let's see here, RCOOR with LiAlH4 with reduction form as RCH2OH with ROH. CH3COOCH3 LiAlH4 with reduction gives CH3CH2OH with CH3OH. Fine. NaBH4 cannot reduce ester. Fine. Next is reaction of aldehyde and ketones with glycinate reagent. So glycinate reagent, first of all, this one, C double bond O with react with RMGX, it form as CH2ROMGX. In the presence of the HOH H2O, it form RH2OH plus MgXOH. This is a primary alcohol. RHC double bond O, RMGX gives R double bond RCHOMGX. And it form here at last MgXOH and here double bond R. This is the dia. Okay, next is R double RC double bond O plus RMGX gives triple bond RCOMGX, and here it will form triple bond RCOH MgXOH. It forms tertiary alcohol. This is a tertiary, secondary and the primary. Fine. So till here you complete it in your copies, students. After that I will give a more to you and we can do. Okay, in a Zoom classes also we will do these things, but it will not be completed all these things in a Zoom classes. So please try down to write down in your copy. Please students. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.